Hello and welcome back to Texas Decor and More. In this portion of the video, it's going to be a how to properly disinfect your bathroom. A lot of people just spray on the cleaner, but if you want to truly disinfect your bathroom, I'm going to show you how in this video, so stay tuned and keep watching. If you're new and haven't been here before, welcome, and would you please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's proceed on with the video. So right here, what I'm doing, I have a sponge in my hand and also I have gloves on, and what I did was I took soap. You can take any kind of soap, dish soap, regular soap, antibacterial soap, whatever soap you want to use, and I am just giving everything a good scrub down with just hot water and some soap. I had already done the sink and the countertop behind me, but for some reason I don't have that footage, but I will show you how to disinfect that. I've already previously wiped down, like I said, the sink and the countertop, and then I had moved on to, of course, the toilet using a different sponge. Don't use the same sponge. Change sponges out. But right here I have a reusable wipe, and it came from the Dollar General, and I also saw these at Walgreens when I was getting out. I saw those at Walgreens, and they had those reusable towelettes for just $1 at Walgreens. So right there, I'm just taking the towel and I'm wiping off all the soap and all the water. And then the next step, what we're going to do after that, is then after all this dries, the soap and water, and after you wiped everything down, the next step will be you're actually going to be using your product, your disinfectant, your bleach, your 409, your Lysol spray, your Lysol wipe, whatever you have on hand. That's what you're going to actually use to disinfect with. Okay, now we're moving on to step 2. Step 2 is to do the same thing. First, use your soap and water and clean off your door handle, your doorknob very, very well. Let it dry, and then go back in with your bleach or whatever cleaner that you have and just give it a good spray and a good wipe and a good clean. I usually like to let mine sit on there for a minute before I start wiping. And I'm going to show y'all that process also in the bathtub. We're going to be moving on to the bathtub here directly. I'm just kind of wiping everything down. So yeah, here we are in the bathtub. I'm taking everything out of the bathtub. I'm removing everything. And I'm going to be putting that over there on the countertop by the sink. And then I'm going to get my Lysol spray that I'm about to show y'all. I'm going to get it. Well, no, wait. I'm still taking stuff out. Yep, still taking stuff out of the bathtub, shower area, all my soap, all my shampoos. And then I'm going to go put that over there by the sink. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Lysol, and I'm going to give the whole shower area a good spray. And then I'm going to let that sit for about, I don't know, 6 to 8 minutes. I don't just wipe it off right away. I let it sit for a few minutes. And then after I get all of my hair products and soap and everything out of there, what you're going to see me do is go back to the sink area, and I wipe down every single bottle of shampoo and conditioner. I wipe it down with alcohol, and then I move back in with the shower and get that cleaned up.